Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Sketchboard app. First, let's get familiar with the main interface. You'll find the toolbar at the top, offering various drawing tools like pens, markers, and erasers. To select a tool, simply tap its icon. You can easily zoom in and out using a two-finger pinch gesture and pan across your canvas by dragging with two fingers. This helps you focus on details or see the bigger picture of your project. Now, let's dive into some features that will elevate your sketches. The app offers advanced brush settings, allowing you to adjust size, opacity, and even texture for a more personalized touch. Layers are incredibly useful for managing complex designs. You can add new layers, rearrange them, and adjust their visibility. Experiment with the extensive color palette and gradient tools to bring vibrant life to your creations. Once your masterpiece is complete, you'll want to share it. Sketchboard makes collaboration simple. Invite others to work on your board simultaneously, seeing their contributions in real time. When you're ready to save, you can export your work in various formats, including PNG, JPEG, and PDF, ensuring compatibility. Plus, easily save your projects directly to your preferred cloud storage for secure backup and access anywhere. To truly master Sketchboard, consider these pro tips. Learning keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow, saving you valuable time on repetitive tasks. Also, explore the vibrant online community for tutorials and inspiration. Many users share their unique techniques. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep practicing, and your digital art skills will surely flourish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.